Hey YouTube, how's it going guys? So got a quick video here of a review that I'm going to quickly do initial, and that is the new Snap-on double flex reverse ratcheting wrenches. And you can see here, I haven't opened it yet. I'm looking forward to it. It's been about 2 months I've been waiting for this. It's XFRRM705. So yeah, just really looking forward to this. So let's open it up. Alright, so one of the things I noticed, they use Velcro now to hold the pouch together, which is nice. It's a nice, bag for this. Let's see about opening this up now. Here we go. Here we go. All right, so let's take a look at the 1917 first, because it's bigger. Let's see here. What do I think? So the edge is actually tapered inwards, so it's easier to get it onto a bolt. I can tell here. You can see here it's angled in. Another thing that I noticed here is that it looks like the switch is pretty much flush with the rest of the head, which is great because if you're ratcheting, it's not likely to hit anything and switch direction, which has been a problem I've been having. Let me see if I can get without. Made in the USA. Really nice and heavy. One of the things that's nice about the Snap-ons that I learned from my dealer is that they're also rebuildable, as you can tell here, the heads. So if you were to break them, you can just have them rebuilt instead of having to go to Harbor Freight or something and trade in the whole set. So that's really nice. But then again, the whole purpose of buying something like this is to avoid breaking the tool to begin with, because it'll be stronger, and being inconvenienced by it. So let's get the rest of these out. Alright, let's set you down now, and I'll take a look at the mechanism. Alright, so let's take a look at this ratcheting mechanism here. Oh wow, that's light. That's really light. If I was to take this and compare it to my Cornwells, here's the 19. Oh geez. This is, I actually have to hold it to turn it. Huge difference. I mean, it's unbelievable. The back drag is like hardly anything. So yeah, it's huge for me. Having a ratcheting wrench is great, but having one that I don't have to have going back and forth on the nut or bolt trying to loosen it is even bigger deal, because you might not be able to loosen it the rest of the way by hand. So anyway, these are superior. Now another thing that this is a little edit here that I noticed is that For the pivot point, for the flex part, you can actually tighten them too. So it's not like they get floppy and they stay floppy. That's a really nice one. And also I just want to show you guys the sizes. So the biggest one is a 17 and a 19. Next size up down is a 16 and 18. A 13 and a 15. 12 and a 14. And an 8 and a 10. So it does look like it skips the number 11, but that's not a commonly used size, and obviously no one really uses size 9. So yeah, no question to these corn wheels, which have broken many times. So I have high hopes for this set, and I just wanted to share it to you guys. And yeah, till next time, keep wrenching and take care.